Hi, bankruptcy attorney Brian Barboza. Today I'm going to discuss the interplay between bankruptcy and your mortgage, or how does a bankruptcy affect a mortgage. Before we get started, if bankruptcy is something you want to explore or talk more about, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com. Book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. Okay, so how does a bankruptcy and a mortgage kind of interact with one another? Or what's the effect of a bankruptcy upon a mortgage? So when you file bankruptcy, what you're doing is you are petitioning a federal court for relief, which means you're asking a federal judge to issue an order, and that order is going to declare that you are no longer liable for your debts. At least the debts that you can get rid of in a bankruptcy case. There are some types of debts that bankruptcy won't help you with. So looking from that perspective at a mortgage, technically, when you file bankruptcy and if you get your discharge of your debts, technically, your personal liability on that mortgage is actually discharged, meaning you are no longer personally liable for the mortgage. Now, that does not mean you get a house for free. What it means is if they were to foreclose on the home at some point in time, they would not be able to turn around and sue you for the money personally, because you discharged that liability in bankruptcy. But because the mortgage company has a valid lien on your property, it's a lien you gave them, you agreed to, they, after your bankruptcy case, if you don't stay current on your mortgage, if you fall behind on your mortgage, they would still have the right to foreclose on the property, meaning they can foreclose under the terms of their lien, exercise their lien rights against the property, get the property back into foreclosure and sell it, but they would not be able to turn around and sue you for the money because, again, you personally discharged that debt in bankruptcy. Okay, so that is kind of like what happens with a mortgage. Now, there are, of course, different situations. When someone comes to meet with me, sometimes people are already behind on their mortgage, and then the question becomes, do you want to save your mortgage or do you want to save your home? And there is different types of bankruptcy cases for different financial situations. So when someone comes to my office and they're behind on a mortgage, let's say 2 months, 6 months, a year, whatever it might be, we're going to look to file what's called a Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which is going to give those people, those individuals, up to 60 months to catch up on their mortgage payments. So Chapter 13 is designed for a person to file a plan of reorganization. It's going to give that person 60 months, 60 payments, once a month for 60 months, to catch up on their mortgage and paying into this Chapter 13 plan. And then at the end of the Chapter 13 case, in theory, they should be completely caught up on their pre-bankruptcy mortgage arrearages, and they should be current on their post-bankruptcy mortgage payments. Therefore, when the bankruptcy is over, they're all squared away with their mortgage company. They're no longer in default. They're going to save their home. However, if someone wants to just walk away from the home, okay, and not be liable for the debt, not have to hang on to the home and keep paying for the home, then perhaps that person is going to consider filing Chapter 7, wiping the debt out, and then after the bankruptcy case, the lender will at some point foreclose, take the home, sell it, and that'll be that. Now, bankruptcy is very complicated. Between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13, there are some pitfalls, some things you need to be concerned about, a lot more than can be discussed in a short video. So if bankruptcy and or home foreclosure are things that you are going through or facing or thinking about, please feel free to give me a call or go to my website, barbozalaw.com. Book an appointment to speak with me for free directly through the website. As always, I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you watching it, and have a good rest of your day. Take care. Bye.